All of you should know me by now. I am DP Robertson. For years, it has been my goal to help people navigate the world of trading. That's why I've spent years testing thousands of indicators and strategies here on my channel. And recently, I announced that we have partnered with Will from Will Trades to create a futures and prop firm training division shoot off of the Academy of Forex. With over 6 years of experience, Will is not only a profitable but knowledgeable trader. And through his Discord, he teaches people how to become just as profitable every single day as he coaches them, teaches them, and trades with them right side by side, calling out exactly where he's taking his trades. You can find a link to his Discord down below in the description. If you use the link down below in the description, you get a 5-day free trial, as well as access to his Discord and access to the Academy of Forex Discord with all the benefits that go with that as well. This is going to be a daily trading recap video, so let's go ahead and jump right into that video.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna voice over myself. Actually, you can see like this is already, I recorded this, but I am going to actually voice over this trade that I took today. I was already up about $200 on the day. This is 3 express funded accounts on Top Step that I'm trading with. And you guys can see that I'm going to actually be looking for a short position on this trade. So let me go ahead and play the video and walk you guys through kind of what's happening here. So I already know we have resistance here at 18,443.50, and we have support here at around 18,374 on the dot. If we can break below this support here, and that's what I'm saying right now, that I'm actually drawing this out while I'm trading, that I said if that's what I'm looking for, a higher low, and then we just come down and completely smack below that, and then aim around somewhere right here for my take profit. So quick scalp, nothing crazy, not looking for a home run. You guys know me, I don't try to take home run trades, try to get in, get out, make my money, and walk away for the rest of the day. So let me go ahead and fast forward this a little bit, waiting for a break here. Fast forward a little bit more. Volume is very slow, very bad today. Okay, new candle forms. Let me back up a little bit. And I enter right at this low as close as possible, 1 NQ contract. So I go ahead and about to get into a position right here. So I just enter, okay? And now my take profit is going to be somewhere right here, all right? And again, actually what's pretty funny is right when I enter this trade, my Wi-Fi or TopStep X, something happens where my charts just freeze. And I start freaking out a little bit. I'm kind of like, whoa, hey, what's going on right now? You can see right now, nothing's moving. And I'm kind of like, whoa, you know what? I start checking my phone. I start checking my Wi-Fi. I'm like, oh my gosh, please. Like, I don't have my stop loss in place. So it kind of sucks how just technical difficulties can impact a trade. Something so simple like that. So I'm waiting, still trying to figure it out. We're still frozen here. But let me fast forward just a little bit more, and you're going to see out of nowhere it like resets or reconnects, and the trade perfectly goes my way. Boom, it finally works. And I'm already up nicely $415 on this trade. And obviously then you guys see I'm actually trying to put my stop loss in here. It won't even work. Finally it shows up, and I'm aiming for these lows right around here. And actually I moved my take profit just up a little higher just so I can get filled and we don't get wicked out here, just because the market overall is just really, really bad today. So I'm in the position already, break even stop. Worst case scenario on this trade is I walk away green. That's the best way to trade, right? Get into a trade, you walk away green, you're smiling, you're happy. So put it down a little bit more. So worst case scenario, I make $130. We're automatically just flushing here, coming down back to these lows and aiming for this low right here, making that $720 profit. Let's see, let's get filled here. And we're about to get filled here right now. Boom, got filled, and you guys can see I'm up $950. I immediately lock my account for the day, and I am done trading. So there you go, right? We're only looking for clean, precise entries, something that makes sense, break of structure, higher low forms, entering and taking blows here. If we can just take 1 or 2 trades like this, being green and being consistent, we will be one step closer to becoming profitable. Hope you guys like that, and I'll see you in the next one.
Alright, so now that you've seen how simple it is to become a profitable trader, as Will not only teaches you, but calls out those trades in real time, exactly where he is taking them and how he is taking them, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Again, you'll get a free 5-day trial where you can join us as we are taking those trades in real time and see exactly how great the community is over on Will's Discord. And again, make sure you use the link down below in the description. That way you can get access to both the Discords and all the benefits that come with that. And we will see you on the inside.